What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kodak Zach Reacts, and I'm back with another video. Now look, this is not my main channel. My main channel link will be inside the description. This is my reaction video channel, because I reacted to a video like yesterday or like the day before, and people told me I should start making some more reaction videos, so I got a whole new channel for all that. And now today we're reacting to Tjass. His Kick On Me Out Intense 1v1. Let's get into it. I can go ahead and tell right now this is gonna be a very intense game. Both them trading buckets and everything. It's gonna be a good game right here. Now, first of all, if you gonna walk up to Tjass, I'm gonna kill you in a 1v1. You gotta be cold, bro. Like, you gotta be cold. Ain't no just regular average hooper gonna walk up and call him out to 1v1.
Should I do it? Well, we just got to the gym. That kid wants to play me one-on-one. Should we go play him, man? Come on, man. I was trying to run some 5, man.
Hold up. First of all, bro, how's you gonna walk up to him and then try and call him out? No, it's probably maybe Mike. Come on now, bro. Make up your mind.
Alright, we're gonna go 11s, 1s, and 2s. Let's do it.
Even though Tjass still scored, bro, dude really had him inside a box. Like, he looks like he's a pretty good defender, though. I ain't gonna cap. This verse gonna be very intense. He definitely got some really good defense. Like, he got Tjass inside the box right now, but I still feel like Tjass might win. Just because Tjass, he's just different, bro. In my opinion, he's the best YouTube basketball player. Now, that's in my opinion. He definitely got some really good defense. Tjass trying to keep his space and just trying to pull off shots and stuff, because he knows if he tries to like drive and stuff, he's gonna have him inside a box. Most definitely. Alright, now, ain't nobody gonna walk up and call out Tjass if you could not really shoot the ball or have any type of like scoring option, because his first thought wasn't to shoot the ball, so he gotta be like a decent shooter. He probably missed it. He was like nervous and stuff because he's not expecting to. look at this man's handles, bro. Like, he gotta be the best basketball YouTuber, basketball playing YouTuber who's out there, bro. Like, he is too cold. I really want to see him and DDG like 1v1 because DDG be swearing he's the coldest and all that. But he done beat Flight. I'm not sure if he played Cash at the time. Now, he made that shot. I'm not sure if he's gonna get hot or not, but he looks like he's trying to get more confident by pulling the shot now. Let's see. Now he's sounding like he's definitely trying to get into his groove now. Like, he's really starting to feel himself now, and he might take the win. I don't know. He got clamps. Like, he's trying to find his scoring now. So let's go ahead and see. He's most definitely hot right now, bro. He is feeling himself right now, bro. But Tjass, he might be able to kick in them clamps and try and get a stop. I don't know, though. I'm not sure. I don't know how this game is finna go. Look, even though he still made that shot, bro, other dude is still playing great defense, bro. Like, he's really a solid defender. Like, he still made the shot, but that's great defense. He couldn't have played it any much better. Now, exactly what I said earlier, he's still trying to keep his distance from him because whenever he drives and tries to score inside the paint, the other dude, he got him in a box. Like, he cannot do anything. So he's trying to keep his space and just pull his shots and stuff like that, hoping that he'll bury down all of his threes and mid-range and stuff, probably trying to win the game. He got it. He found that strap now, bruh. He found that strap. I don't know who's gonna take this, bro, but it's a very, very entertaining game right here, bro, for real. Hey, now it looks like, bro, Tjass trying to put them clamps on him now. Like, Tjass trying to play like he want to win now. Like, he's trying to kick in his defense, trying to play back physically. Tjass game right there. Hey, he still plays solid, great defense though. Over Tjass, he just different, bro.
You a freshman? Yeah, I'm about to be a freshman. This man's about to be a freshman, bro. Came to the gym to...
Y'all hear that? He's not even in high school yet, bro. My man is an 8th grader doing this right now, bro. He got solid defense, and he can pull a thing, bro. But I like, Frodo, he's gonna have his name up there in the next couple of years, bro. Watch, trust me. Once he make up there in high school, give him a few years. He gonna make it my name.
Expect him to play 5. My man came out to me, said he could beat me.
Alright, now this is the end of the video. He's just talking for the rest of it. It looks like, but yeah, now, guys, this is not my main channel. My main channel link will be in the description. So go ahead and go sub to my main channel if you are not. And sub to the channel right too. I'm trying to get 100 subs on this channel. I'm trying to reach 200 on my main channel. Now this right here is just a reaction channel. And yeah, I'm gonna try and post some more reaction videos. Just comment what type of videos that y'all want, or DM me on Instagram and tell me what type of video ideas that y'all want. Try to get them all done. And till next reaction video, man, I'm out.